In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit reminders in Slack quickly and easily so you never miss an important task or deadline. Slack reminders are incredibly useful, but sometimes plans change and you need to update the time, date, or settings of an existing reminder. Whether you're managing personal to-dos or team follow-ups, knowing how to edit reminders in Slack can save you time and keep you organized. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this video helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more simple and up-to-date software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Slack on your desktop or web browser and make sure you're logged into the correct workspace. Once Slack is open, look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find all your channels, direct messages, and special sections like reminders. At the top or near the middle of the sidebar, locate the section called Later. This is where Slack keeps your saved items and reminders. Go ahead and click on Later in the left sidebar. Once you're inside the Later section, you'll see a list of all your upcoming reminders. These could be reminders you created for yourself or reminders connected to messages you saved earlier. Take a moment to scroll through the list and find the reminder that you want to edit. When you found the reminder you want to change, look closely at it and you'll see a small clock icon. This clock icon is what allows you to manage and edit the reminder settings. Click on the clock icon next to the reminder. After clicking the clock icon, Slack will open a set of options for that reminder. From here, you can choose a new reminder time from the preset options, such as later today, tomorrow, or next week. If none of the suggested options work for you, you can also choose a custom time and date. This is especially helpful if you need the reminder to trigger at a very specific moment. Select the option that works best for you, and Slack will automatically update the reminder with the new settings. Once you've made your selection, you're all set. The reminder is now edited and will notify you at the updated time. You can repeat this process for any reminder in your list whenever plans change or priorities shift. This is a simple but powerful feature that helps you stay on top of your work without creating duplicate reminders. And that's exactly how you edit reminders in Slack. If this tutorial saved you time or helped you stay more organized, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Slack tips and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.